Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRoomWorldWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about what do baby lizards eat. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my video and also help my channel grow. The small lizard usually eats small insects because they don't have the ability to hunt big insects, so they usually eat small insects and they are moderately successful in that process. Now it depends, the success depends upon a lot of factors because they are small and they cannot go around big lizards because those big lizards can actually kill the small lizards, so they usually have to hide on the dark places also, because the dark places are those kind of places where other predators won't really look around. Those can be like below a light source or below the rock where the other predators won't really go that often, and they can hunt, these baby lizards can hunt over there. But apart from that, they don't usually go to those kind of places. They feel that they can be attacked by other predators and also by big lizards. Now, if for example they usually try to find those kind of places where it is dark, like I mentioned before, but if there are a lot of big lizards over there, then those big lizards can also be problematic, and the baby lizard can have difficulty in finding food for them, because the big lizard will wipe out all of the insects, try to wipe out all of the insects mostly from that area, and the small lizard won't have enough food to actually eat, and they cannot even shift from one place to another unless the baby lizard grows up, because then the other big lizards will attack the baby lizard and can kill it. Now, for a baby lizard, it can be quite difficult. They are also new to the environment. They don't really have adequate knowledge. They sometimes wander around, eaten by other big lizards. So, because of that reason, they other predators also, they have to remain hidden in most times. And because they are hiding from other predators and other big lizards, they usually don't end up eating too much, because it depends upon who is the alpha lizard over there, and if the alpha lizard is big and there are a lot of lizards, it cannot really get that much. But it tries to survive on whatever they can get, even the smallest insect. And usually if a small lizard is hiding around below a light source or in a place where the insects move around and there are a lot of insects over there, they usually get some food and small insects over there, because that is the obvious thing, and they survive on that thing only. Now, when it comes to the lizard that stays in our house, they also does the same thing. They also likes to hide around the dark places, because that places are those kind of places where the other big lizards won't usually go, and if they go, they will run away from that place immediately. But they likes to hide around those kind of places because they know the territory of the lizards, the big lizards, and they avoid those kind of places. Now, when the baby lizards has grown enough, then they can hunt bigger insects, because before that time they don't really have enough strength, they don't really have enough power to actually kill the big insects. Instead, the baby lizard can actually get harmed when it is trying to eat the insect. So it's trying to avoid those kind of situation. Now, there are times when the baby lizard also has to venture out, because it cannot always remain hidden in a particular place, because that's not something any kind of creature would do, because if they run out of food, then the baby lizard has to go outside and can have to hunt on its own. And during that time, even if it gets a big insect, it will try to attack because it is running low on food, and it can have to eat whatever it can. And during that time, most lizards can also die, mainly the small lizards. Big lizards are usually have their own territory. They get all the kind of food, and especially the alpha male over there, the alpha lizard gets different kind of foods, and all the females. So nobody wants to fight with the alpha male. Also, the baby lizards also avoids them. So the baby lizards usually lives on insects and small animals, depending on what kind of lizard it is. For Komodo dragon and for monitor lizards, they are, even though they are small, they are really dangerous. They cannot live on small insects. So for them, they have to eat different kind of food that are small, like it can be a mouse, it can be small insects, it can be beetles, it can be whatever they can get, even small snakes. They can even eat small snakes. And so they have to survive on different kind of food, and especially for the monitor lizard and Komodo dragon, they have furious fights with their own members, because the big lizards over there attacks the small members and can also eat them. They have these cannibalistic tendencies within them, so they can actually eat their own species. So the small monitor lizard has to be very careful and has to find opportunities from where it can get the food, and then have to strike and then eat the food, because it's not possible for the small monitor lizard to fight and win against big monitor lizards, because they are really powerful and can instantly kill the small lizards. So the only way for them to survive is to find the right opportunities, find the right location, and then venture out on its own, take the risk, and then eat the food. One of the favorite food is, however, eggs. Now, because they also eat the eggs, because they don't really eat the whole eggs. They usually like to eat the internal materials of the egg, the yolk mainly. Then they can also eat different kind of eggs also, and it depends upon the what kind of bird or what kind of egg it is, because there are bird eggs which have really hard shells and they don't usually eat the cells, they usually eat the yolk. There are also eggs out there, some other reptiles eggs whose layer, the outer coating is much softer, so they can eat the whole egg. An egg is a really good thing for them if they can find the right opportunity to when to strike and when to look around. They can usually get the egg for free, and they won't really have to compete against other predators also, because normally when a reptile or any other bird lays eggs, there are a couple of them, so they don't really have to fight along with each other, and if one of them gets one egg, they will run away. The small one also can get the small eggs and can run away, and the other big monitor lizard can feed on the other ones. So there is opportunity even for the small monitor lizard over there. So the small monitor lizards and small Komodo dragons are opportunistics, and they have to find the right opportunity. They cannot fight against other things, so they also can eat other kind of things. Now, because diet varies from lizard to lizard, in general, I would like to conclude that the basically most lizards lives on insects. The most common lizards that you see in your house usually is insect. Then there are bigger lizards who have bigger biter force, more strength. They eat different kind of foods like small snakes, small rats. Then they can eat eggs. And then there are other lizards out there that eat vegetables and leaves, which they are mainly herbivorous, but they can also eat meat. So it just depends upon lizard species, and that's how they survive. So that's it for this video. I hope you will find something helpful from this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.